Understanding turkey in bowling, a fun exploration. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and fun phrase, turkey in bowling. This expression is not only interesting but also a great example of how English can be playful and context-specific. So, whether you're an English learner, a bowling enthusiast, or just curious, stay tuned to learn more about this unique phrase. Turkey in bowling has nothing to do with the bird. In the world of bowling, a turkey refers to a player scoring 3 strikes in a row. Strikes, for those unfamiliar, are when a player knocks down all 10 pins with their first ball. So, a turkey is a significant achievement in a game of bowling. The term turkey dates back to the late 19th or early 20th century in America. During Thanksgiving and Christmas, bowling alleys often gave away turkeys as prizes for hitting certain achievements, like 3 strikes in a row. This tradition led to the term turkey becoming synonymous with this achievement. While turkey is a term specific to bowling, it's sometimes used in everyday English to signify a series of successes or achievements. For example, someone might say, "I just scored a turkey on my exams," to mean they've done exceptionally well in a series of tests. We hope you enjoyed learning about the phrase, turkey, in bowling. It's a great example of how specific terms can add color and fun to language learning. So next time you're watching or playing bowling, or just want to express a series of successes, remember this quirky phrase. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more fascinating aspects of the English language.